Got my back? Got my side and stuff?
No.
No?
Nobody's got anything.
Oh, okay.
They will come from everywhere.
All right.
Mike.
They can hit you the second they say go.
What? Step out here real quick.
Black, you guys ready?
Oh, hang on. Hold on. Come around. What? Come around over here. Come around.
Okay. Hold on.
Green still doing stuff. Can you what? Shoot out of there? Yeah, that's a big hole. Yeah. That's not. I just want clarification. Yeah.
Now they're a depot respawn. Touch and go.
Yep.
Okay. Green, you ready?
Yeah.
Mike? Black, you ready? On your mark. Set. Game. Punch moving right. Punch moving left.
Fall back!
Hey, Prayer! 20 minutes max! If we get to 20 minutes, we successfully hold!
Oh my God, how did he miss me, dude? We got one in the bank! No, he's hit!
Alright, leave that one. Alright, shit.
He's down.
What's that?
Oh, you bad luck.
Do it.
You bad luck. See what's flying past
Okay. Blew up this. Hey, stay there. There's a guy with those sandbags. Oh, it is.
The barrel's just past the bank. I got one guy ducking down. I just don't have the range on it.
All right, behind the bank, that sandbag tree.
Bottom again.
Yeah, right by that tree. There's a guy in there.
He's moving. Moving left. Moving left.
Directly this way. Large tree underneath it. Left side, left side. Which large tree? I took him. I don't have a sure shot on it. Okay, I'm just telling you. If 12 is the depot, it'll be a 10. I got it, okay. At the bottom left.
Gun's curving up too much.
Moving towards you, Lee. Same area.
There's a guy in the bank.
Dude, I have no idea how you missed me just then.
I gotta go get ammo.
Got a bunch by the bank, so watch out.
Yeah, they're in the bank already.
Okay. Yeah, we got a bunch of them.
2, 3, front tower, right! That's your 2!
Was that you then, Lee? Alright. When you holler hit, say your name.
Did that hit me or the camera?
So far it didn't hit you.
Okay. Hurt my back now. It's like dry firing. He's in the bank behind that
No, I know.
How many respawns are there?
Where's that coming from?
Behind us.
Which way? That one? Okay.
I can't see where. It's not to the left of the bank. It's further out. Nope, he's right in the trees. To the left of the bank. To the left of the bank of the trees. Right in the goggles.
Eli, you good still?
So far, yeah.
Alright,
I think we got pressure from the bank, though.
alright.
You good over there, Dan?
It's Austin. Yeah. Yeah. He's in the Spartan Tower.
I got one in front. There's also one.
I got him. Got him.
I'm moving back.
All right, you're good,
Eli,
buddy.
I'm moving to you. Eli, I'm moving to you.
Right there, man. Nice shot.
What spot where?
Dan, on the left. I'm going to go take you left.
All right, see one.
Ow! Hit! I don't know where the fuck that came from.
Well, then it's probably a ricochet. Where'd it hit you from?
Back of the head. Of course it could. Could be ricochet, but it hurt bad enough. I'm gone. Mag.
We're hit. Hit up top. Woo. The middle tower's hit.
No more. Look in there.
Middle tower's hit. Dead man coming! Dead man coming out! Dead man, he's coming in the video.